Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. As you know, over the past few months, Ryobi has been killing it. They've been releasing so many new tools, from table saws to bug zappers to the awesome new modular storage system, which is their Link storage system. Now, this Link storage system has a mobile storage system for your tools, but it also is a full organization system for your home as well, at least for your garage, for extracurricular activities, for your tools, just about everything. It's a single source of organization that you can use for your home. It's so cool. Some of the things that I love about this is that it really crosses the bridge. Now, whenever we first got it, they didn't release everything. And I think that makes sense because they're trying to test the market. So a lot of people, they saw a gap in the market, they wanted to kind of fill some of the voids. Well, they've done that, and we're going to take a look at some of those things because they just released some really cool new accessories for the Link system. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at the Link system. This is the toolboxes right here, but we're not going to focus on those for this particular video. Look at this. This is what we're going to focus on right here, the Link wall storage system. This thing is so cool. You can pretty much attach just about everything. And if we take a look down here, here are the brand new parts. You have a foam insert right here. Check this thing out. So you can cut out whatever you would like to have in this, from drills to just about everything. This is really cool. They're showing the drills right here, measuring it out. They're going to throw them in. You can see they're recessed. They're not going anywhere. So you're going to keep those really tough tools really safe for a long time. Now, they also have a cleaning shelf. This is a shelf where you can hang things, rags, whatever, spray bottles underneath. You can put a lot of stuff on top. Now, this is really interesting. Check this out. This is something that people have been asking for. We take a look at another picture here. You can see what they're doing. They're storing batteries in this. This is pretty awesome. Now, I think that they got inspired whenever they designed this, because if we take a look here, this is Peg Products, Joshua Grog's company, and he's a 3D printer and 3D designer. And let's just take a look here. Check this out. They actually have battery mounts here. We're going to click on that and check this out. Look at this. He's got 3D printed mounts for the Link system. This is really cool stuff. I'm really glad he did this. He has it for pegboards. He's got a lot of really cool products that he's putting out as well, because he saw that there was a bit of a gap in the market, so he's putting that out. So that's really cool. So let's take a look back at some of the other brand new products that they have out. So this is really cool. They also have a Link system right here. This is to place your 40-volt batteries, and they have a Link system. This is to actually mount your tools. This is really cool. But if we take a look back over here, you're going to see that there is some tool mounts here that people are using. You have the mounts here. You've got the tool mount right there. You have 40-volt mounts right here. So I think that Ryobi was taking a look at this and saying, you know what? People really do want that stuff, and maybe we should start developing it and coming out with it. So I actually do a bit of designing, and I do 3D printing as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at my page. So you can tell right here for the Link mobile storage, I have little organizer bins that actually lock into the top. I put little organizer bins that fit down inside of those bins. We have retainer rings for them. And then over here, this is actually a mobile mount, a work surface that you can lock into the top of the bins right here. And what that does is gives you a nice wooden place to work on. So do I think that Ryobi is stealing some of these ideas and going back with them? Absolutely not. That is not happening. What I'm thinking that they're doing is that they're actually taking a look at some of these things and solutions that people are putting out there, and they're taking a cue from it, saying, you know what? That's actually a pretty good idea. Let's develop it. I don't know of another company that's doing that. They're actually listening to their crowd. They're taking a look at things. They're understanding, and they're really listening to the consumer base. This is just a super cool thing I think that they're doing. I don't think you're going to find another company that's actually doing that. So I give Ryobi a ton of praise, and I really am inspired in seeing this, and I'm really hoping that this will continue. I haven't seen this, like I said, from any other company. This is a super cool thing that they're doing. So I can't wait to see other things coming out. I'm really excited about this. I know they have a lot of products in development right now, and I can't wait to see those. They still have some pretty good product development that they need to do for the modular storage system, such as the organizing bins with a clear top. I'm sure that they're coming out with those as well, so everybody keep your eye out for that. I hope that everybody enjoyed this video. It's a quick overlook, and we're linking a couple different worlds together. If you did, hey, please hit that like button. And another thing, we have a huge Facebook community, so jump down below, hit the groups there, and we talk about this stuff all the time. We look, we research, we love testing out the tools as well. So I can't wait to see you in Facebook land on the groups. Obviously, you're going to find me on YouTube as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. So take care, everybody. Have a great night.